Zurgatronic Federate online, Evil Emperor Zurg.
You're sure this time, yes?
Reasonably.
Let's test it on something before we hit Star Command. We need a target that won't shoot back.
May I suggest Rhizome, my evil emperor?
The planet of the vegetarians, yes! Delicious suggestion. Number 29. How long have you been with my evil organization?
Ooh, let's see. In total, or just since I've been a brain in a jar?
Brain in a jar.
4 years next week.
Fascinating. Okay.
Now that you mention it, I am a bit overdue for a cost of living raise. You know, when I gave up my body, certain promises were made.
I was just being polite. I don't really care, all right? Now, unless anyone else wants to tell me his or her life story, can we shoot the big gun?
Target acquired. Rise on.
More salad?
Oh, I couldn't. Well, I'm off to meditate for galactic peace.
Oh, isn't that lovely?
Oh, I can feel it. I control every mind on the planet. It works! Evil rules! Oh, this is fun. Let's hit something else.
Bathios?
The fish faces?
Test underwater effectiveness.
Good point.
Target Bathios.
Another planet, and it's mine! I'm not the man who knows the land! I am the man!
About that raise, sir?
Please, once I enslave the universe, I won't need the likes of you. It'll be all Zurg all the time, 24/7, Zurgy heaven!
Alpha 1, power down your engines.
Buzz, you know my plan can work. I can get past Zurg's defenses.
Unfortunately, Mira, the commander doesn't agree with us. Hey!
Find anything?
Bingo! Spare spacesuits. We slap one on you, jet back to Star Command, and no one's the wiser.
XR? Slight problem?
Oh, come on!
Into the line, princess. Ease off those thrusters, Mira. You'll just burn them out.
Craters.